Talk about that motherfucking bread. Talk about that bread. Talk about that motherfucking bread. Bread. Talk about that bread. Motherfucking bread. I talk about that bread. I talk about that bread. Ay. Talk about that bread. Bitch, when I pull up, we gon' talk about this bread.
What up?
And I ain't talking about no motherfucking sleepover. When I pull up, yeah, your bitch give me head. Cause I hold up when a nigga dick thrower. When the hammer drop, bitch, yeah, I set it off.
Ain't fucking around out here.
Drop a package off, then I take a package off.
Trying to get this shit up.
Niggas, cause you niggas not involved. Bitch, I'm getting lit off this liquor. Years of abuse, I need another liquor. Smoke so many blunts, I can barely.
Y'all here in North Carolina? Check it out, guys. Quick release for you guys. Nice bass. Check that out. Banner, little man. You put up a good fight.
Tragic. Yeah, that bitch mad, cause that bitch thought she had me.
Yo, what up, what up, what up, what up? Welcome back to another video. We've been banging shit out. We got the squad here. I got back from North Carolina. I got in. Yeah, we're grubbing right now, but it's been a long ass day. We're just been like getting shit done.
You didn't do shit.
Look at this badass right here. Got the whole squad. Got the new engine up in the fucking CRX. Yeah, that is sad. Jay's playing PlayStation, you know, and doing homework. But yeah, we got the new engine in. Pretty much everything is connected for the most part. We're about to try firing up, so let's see how it goes.
Are you gonna try firing it up right now?
Hell yeah.
Hey, you ended the video, right?
Yeah, but just don't look at everything until
It was so funny.
look on your face.
You think you're both up?
Ready?
Nah, I'm just building oil pressure.
Alright.
I don't see anything happening. Sure.
You guys see oil at the bottom of the car? Alright, we're good.
Yeah, I'm just double check up here, you know? Make sure everything's connected, all the vacuum lines and everything.
Smells like something's burning.
For real?
No.
Nah. Stop fucking around, man. Like, this isn't a time to fuck around. If we're gonna fuck around, go inside. Stop fucking around, dog. You think I'm fucking playing with you?
What happened?
It's throwing a check engine light.
Yeah, the fucking.
There's a giant knock.
The coolant line, the. That's what
you're doing.
And then the basic disconnected.
Guys, I'm gonna be wrapping up for the night. I'm super tired. I woke up in Jersey at 6 a.m., hopped on a flight, shot down to the West Coast, landed, and I just started cranking things out as soon as I got home. Homies pulled up to the pad. We just got to wrenching on the car, and all in a day, the engine fired up, and it sounds a lot better. It just needed to go through a few cycles. I will be showing some more footage on it. It sounds very, very nice. I'm super stoked, super happy, super blessed, and you know, like, just keep grinding pretty much, you know? Consistency, hard work, and with a good solid team, when you have good people on your side, shit really comes true. Shit happens, but you gotta be consistent. You gotta be patient. It's taken me a long time. I made mistakes in the last setup, but this one, I played it safe. I did things the right way, and it sounds good. I'm very, very proud of myself, proud of my team for helping out and everything. Like, it's big things. So stay tuned, guys. I got some more footage coming soon. Hopefully I can shoot down to go dyno anywhere between, you know, next week to 2 weeks from now. That's if I'm still in town. I'm not too sure when I'm gonna be going for work, but stay tuned. I'll keep you guys posted with everything.